Hello and thank you for watching this help video. In this example, we want to find the factored form to this polynomial function, identify what the zeros are, and the respective multiplicities. Now you'll notice that the polynomial only has two terms. So we're not going to break it up into, again, like using the trinomial, like we break down the trinomial. In this example here, more than likely, again, we're going to have to probably use, again, a difference of squares. So use that technique. But as you'll notice, again, this again is has a common factor of x to the sixth power. So let's factor that out first. So if I factor out the x to the sixth power, I am left with x to the second power minus 25. And there, like I mentioned, this is going to be your difference of squares. So since we have this value of x to the second power minus some constant to the second power, this can be broken up into the factors of x plus the constant and x minus the constant. So it's just recognizing that value right here, that this is x to the second, and that 25 is really the number 5 to the second power. So we can break this up. Let me highlight this. And we can factor this into the following set. So I'm going to bring down the x to the 6, and this can be broken up into x plus 5, the square root of 25 is 5, and x minus 5. So here is your factored form. Notice that x minus 5 and x plus 5 are not the same thing, so I cannot write this. This is not x to the 6 times x plus 5 to the second power, nor is it x minus 5 to the second power, because again, we're not multiplying identical things here. We're not multiplying, these two things are not identical. So we have to keep them separated and not try to combine them or say that we have two of the same thing. Now, what are the zeros? So here we're going to end up with three zeros. The first one is 0. X equals to 0. X equals negative 5 and positive 5. So this is the three places our polynomial will cross the x-axis. Now, what's the respective multiplicity? Well, x equals 0 has a multiplicity of 6. X equals positive 5 has a multiplicity of 1. And x equal negative 5 has a multiplicity of 1 as well. Now, the reason that they have those multiplicities is because this is raised to the first power. Let me do it in different color. This is raised to the first power, and this is also raised to the first power. So we only need to have x equal to positive 5 one time and x equal negative 5 only one time. But we do need x to equal to 0 a total of 6 times, since this one right here is technically x minus 6, I'm sorry, x minus 0 or plus 0 raised to the 6th power. And then we have our x plus 5 to the first power and x minus 5 to the first power. So you see this right here is going to be broken up in total 6 times. So we're multiplying x plus 0 total of 6 times. So I need x to equal to 0 6 times to get the entire thing. Again, a total of 6 times each to get the whole thing equal to 0. So those are your multiplicities, like I said, your zeros and the factored form to this polynomial function. I hope this was helpful and I appreciate you watching.